Hi. Welcome to my channel. Let's start. Import your illustration by double-clicking on empty space of project panel. Import it as composition. Create a composition. Put pumpkin in the middle of that. Let's hide it for now. Create a black rectangle as background. We want to create a fake light. Create a circle. Color it as dark yellow. Add Gaussian blur with blurriness of 1000. Duplicate and resize it. Color it as light orange. Don't forget to name your layers. Duplicate pumpkin composition. Hide top layer for now. Add fill effect to it. Color it black. Add CC slant effect to it. Set slant to 75. Reduce height to 70. Set parameters according to your design. Add radial blur to it. We need more blur at the end of shadow. Bring back pumpkin composition. Right-click, Layer Style, Inner Shadow. We need an inner shadow in 45 degree. Set size is 70. Chalk is 10%. Distance is 40. We will change them if needed. Any shadow that is made by fire is in a random movement, but our shadows are solid. Let's fix this problem. Add wiggle to inner shadow size and distance by clicking on stopwatch and pressing Alt. Change parameters if needed. Add wiggle to slant and height, in slant effect. Let's create a light inside the pumpkin. Create a yellow circle, and a bigger orange one. Add Gaussian blur to them. Set blurriness to 1000. Select both circles, right-click, and make a pre-composition. Mask it on pumpkin face. Change blurriness if needed. Add wiggle expression to circle scale to create a realistic candlelight. Let's check final result.